everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja and I hope you're doing absolutely fine. So in today's video, I'm going to create this very simple makeup look for Valentine's Day. And if you guys want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching the video. But before we start the video, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please take a moment, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Also hit that bell notification so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Yes, now without any further delay, let's just get started with the video and create this Valentine's Day makeup look. So I've already prepped my skin and now we'll just start off with my makeup. So before you start your makeup, it is very important that you ensure that you prep your skin really well, especially if you come from a dry skin type, because आपको नहीं चाहिए कि आपका makeup patchy लगे या आपके dry patches पे बैठ जाए, right? So for that, it is really important that you moisturize your skin really well. Now we'll start off with the makeup. Let me just get this hair out of the place. तो सबसे पहले I'm going to use a primer. The primer I'm using is from PAC. It is their PAC Pore Primer. This is how it looks like. I really like this primer. It does its job pretty well and you don't need a lot. You just need a pea size, this much. And I'll be just applying it all on the places wherever I have pores. Now for the concealer, as I have dark circles, I'll be hiding the dark circles first and I'll be using this concealer. It is from Swiss Beauty. Using this Cuffs and Lashes brush. तो मैं पहले कंसीलर इसलिए यूज कर रही हूँ ताकि मैं जो भी डार्क स्पॉट्स है या डार्क सर्कल्स है उसको हाइड कर सकूँ. एंड देन आई विल मूव ऑन विद द फाउंडेशन. ओके, डायरेक्टली फाउंड. एंड ये कंसीलर जो है, दिस इज एग्जैक्ट मैच ऑफ माई स्किन टोन. तो ये क्या करेगा, दिस विल हाइड अप ऑल द डार्क सर्कल्स एंड स्पॉट्स विच आई हैव. You can use your fingers as well to blend your concealer if you don't have a separate concealer brush. It is not necessary. मैं भी पहले कंसीलर फिंगर से ही ब्लेंड करती थी. इनफैक्ट अभी भी बहुत बार मैं फिंगर से ही ब्लेंड कर लेती हूँ. So yes, now I'll just directly move on to my foundation. We are keeping this look very subtle and natural as possible. And if I'm using 5 or 6 products, I'll make sure कि मैं वो कम यूज करूँ. बहुत ज्यादा ऐसे मेरे को, I don't want a full glam face of makeup. I just want it to look very subtle. Okay, now I'll use this foundation. This is the mini size of the Nykaa Skin Shield foundation. अभी मैंने मेरे recent Nykaa purchase में मैंने ये लिया था and को Nykaa के इस रेंज में अपना शेड नहीं पता था and I saw this. It comes in just 2 shades but this is really a nice match for my skin. This is in the shade Hot Honey 07. तो and ये सिर्फ 2 शेड में ही आता है. तो you really need to be picky whether you want to buy it or not. This comes for ₹100. अगर आपको अपना शेड नहीं पता and आपको उन दोनों शेड्स में कंफ्यूजन है जिसमें ये आता है, you can pick a shade for yourself and then आपके लिए थोड़ा easy हो जाएगा before investing in the big tube. So yes, now I'll be just applying this. I'm taking it on my finger. ज्यादा नहीं ले रही हूँ मैं. ये भी फाउंडेशन भी बहुत कम यूज करना है because we are already using our concealer, right? Blending it all in really nicely. मेरे को प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत ज्यादा क्वांटिटी में यूज करना नहीं पसंद है unless I'm going for a wedding या फिर कोई फंक्शन है. तो यस, मैं अगर मॉल वगैरह भी जाती हूँ तो आई मेक श्योर कि माई मेकअप इज वेरी लाइट. आई रियली लाइक द फॉर्मूला ऑफ दिस फाउंडेशन. मैं ये बहुत टाइम से ट्राई करना चाह रही थी लेकिन स्टोर में जाना नहीं हो पा रहा था एंड ऑनलाइन इतने ज्यादा शेड्स अवेलेबल है कि आई वॉज रियली कंफ्यूज बिटवीन 2-3 शेड्स. So now I think I have found the perfect match for my skin tone. Is how my face after applying the foundation looks like. Now just to brighten up my under eyes a bit, I'll use a lighter shade of foundation. ये भी मैं काफी कम यूज कर रही हूँ. As you can see, this is from Maybelline's Fit Me range in the shade 30 Honey, and this is how it looks like. I really like this shade of foundation as sorry, it's a concealer. I really like this concealer as well. ये but I think I have faced with this concealer is कि you need to moisturize your face really nicely before you apply this concealer, because it will dry out your face, so you need to moisturize really nicely. Now I'll just set everything in. For that, I'll be taking this Mars Trend Setting Powder. This is a translucent powder. White color का है ये. This is how it looks like. It is really nice. Very affordable as well. काफी ज़्यादा finely milled है, and it comes with a sponge. मैंने आज तक ये sponge तो use नहीं किया इसका, but I really like the product in itself. So yes, do let me know you guys, आपका Valentine's Day का क्या plan है? Why I'm using a translucent powder is because I don't want much color on my face और coverage नहीं चाहिए मेरे को, इसलिए I'm using this translucent powder. जो भी बाकी है brush पे, I'll just apply it all over my face, bit on my neck. Moving on to my eyes, I want to keep this look very simple कि आप अगर beginner भी हो तो भी आप एकदम easily कर पाओ इसको. I'm doing is I'm using this Swiss Beauty palette here, and I'm taking this shade, ये वाला shade जो middle में ये लूंगी मैं. I'll just dust it all over my eyes to just give it a nice transition and a little flush of color. Once that is done, I'll just go in with my blush. Of late I've been really liking this technique. Whatever blush I'm using, I'll just, suppose I'm using this blush today, I'll just take this blush and just use this on my lids, just all over my lids. Gives a very soft and natural flush of color to the eyes, which I really enjoy. I'm taking this e.l.f. Bite Size eyeshadow palette in the shade Rose Water, and I'll use this shade right here. इसको बस अपने finger पे लूंगी and I'll just apply it a bit. Both of my eyes. From the same palette, I'll use this shade and just blend everything in really nicely. आपको 3-4 पैलेट यूज करने की एकदम भी जरूरत नहीं है. आप ये सिर्फ अपनी ब्लश लेके यू कैन जस्ट यूज योर ब्लश शेड ऑल ओवर योर लिड्स एंड देन जस्ट यूज एनी शिमर. अगर कोई आई शेडो पैलेट नहीं है तो अगर हाइलाइटर है आपके पास, हाइलाइटर भी आप आईलिड्स पे यूज कर सकते हैं. व्हाट आई विल डू इज, विच विल चेंज द एंटायर लुक, आई विल टेक अ ब्रश and take this dark brown shade right here from another palette. आपके पास कोई भी palette का है, फिर आपके पास brown काजल है, आप काजल भी ले सकते हो. Just apply it as a liner. It will give a very soft look to the eyes. Do let me know if you guys want me to make a video on eyeshadow palettes or eyeshadows which are really easy to use and or which are really affordable. Taking this brown shade and let's move on to the mascara. For mascara, I'm using this Maybelline Colossal Mascara. Just removing the excess. Contour, I'm using this Sugar contour, which is my absolute favorite. Can you see, I've already hit the pan. This is a beautiful shade. Okay, done with my contour, and now I'll just move on to the blush. For my blush, I'm using this L'Oreal Paris blush in the shade Play With Me. I'm focusing towards the end of my cheeks, taking it a bit upwards because I want that lifted look. I completely forgot to do my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I'm using this Nykaa Brow Girl Brow Definer in the shade Bewitched Chestnut. This is also almost over. I'm almost done with my look and I'm kind of really liking it. Just a final touch up. For my highlighter today, I'm using this K Beauty highlighter. It is in the shade Frosted Ice. So I'm done with my highlighter as well. Just take a quick little shower with my setting spray, which is from MAC. I really love this setting spray. I'm just fanning everything. For my lipstick, I think I'll use this one. It is from Swiss Beauty. It is in the shade Brandy Harrington. Yes. Okay, let's just top it off with a liquid lipstick from Inside Cosmetics. It is in the shade Top Notch. I'll leave the link of all the products in the description box below. So this is the final look, you guys. If you want, you can use a red lip color. If you want, you can use a black liner, anything. I just wanted to create this very simple makeup look so that anyone, even if you are a beginner, you can easily create this look. And I really enjoyed creating this look for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you like this look or not. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.